How to get the HypeSquad badge on Discord. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I will show you how you can get the HypeSquad badge on Discord. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. If you want to get the HypeSquad badge on Discord, all you have to do is first of all open up the Discord application. So I'll just go ahead and then open Discord, and then what you want to do is, first of all, if you don't find the options you're looking for, you just need to go into this user settings button which you see at the bottom left. And once you go to user settings, you'll see your account information right over here. Now currently you can see I already have one badge, which is the HypeSquad Bravery. But let's say that you want to switch your badges and you want another type of house badges. So what you want to do is you can go to HypeSquad over here. Once you go to HypeSquad, if you haven't taken a test, you can see it will show you all the different tests and different type of badges over here. And in my case, I received the Bravery one, so you can just take the test right over here. As you click on take the test, you can see you have to fill in all these questions. Now depending upon your answers, you're going to get the badge accordingly. So if your answer is a little bit just like brave enough, you're going to get the Bravery badge, and depending on it, you'll get the other two badges such as the pink and the green ones. So let me just go ahead and then fill in all these informations. So as you can see, after you've been filling these informations, you've been picked, and you can see you've received the badge successfully. So you can see it says the House of Bravery thanks you for joining our efforts to preserve the sanctity of the land and maintain the legacy of Renwall. So what you want to do is you can simply close it. Now if you go to your account settings over here, once you go to the account settings, you'll be able to see your HypeSquad Bravery badge. And this works on all devices. If you're using for mobile, you can just use the web version and then find this option. And this is how you can get the HypeSquad badge on Discord. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.